So I was recently lucky enough to be part of the Cetaphil trial where I tried out 5 Cetaphil skincare products, and I'm going to let you know what I thought about each of them. So the first product I'm going to talk about is the Cetaphil Gentle Foaming Cleanser. Now I really liked this cleanser. Unlike a lot of foaming cleansers that I've tried recently, this one actually foams.
Now this one is for all skin types, and I love this. It foams up super light and airy, like a cloud almost in your hand. It's so cool, and it just feels really nice on your skin. It cleanses all my makeup off. It feels really good.
I really like it because it is very gentle on my skin, and it is suitable for all skin types, which means that it's easy for both my husband and myself to use.
And if you're one of the people who do not like a fragrance in their product, this is a great fragrance-free product as well.
The next one I have is the Cetaphil Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. So this is a gel cleanser. It's got these mini micro beads in there to help polish the skin.
The beads inside are super fine and super, I guess, a little bit sparse. It's not like clogged up full of just beads in this cleanser. So in saying that, it's really gentle on your skin. It's not going to be really abrasive.
It feels like it's actually doing something and helping you get rid of the rest of the day that the cleanser hasn't quite gotten rid of.
The third product is the Cetaphil Daily Hydrating Lotion with Hyaluronic Acid. I really liked this lotion. It is a fabulous lotion for summer. It is lightweight, it absorbs easily, it sits well under makeup, and I loved the pump bottle, which was really handy.
It seems to just soak right in. There is no thick, greasy formulation to this. It's almost really thin in a way.
And the next one is the Rich Night Cream with Hyaluronic Acid. This was probably my most favourite out of all 5. This is a really nice, thicker cream that I just absolutely love the way that this felt on my skin after, you know, cleansing and putting this on. It just felt as though I was, I don't know, cocooning my face in something so nice and rich and velvety, and I just love the way it made my skin feel.
Again, like the other hydrating products in this collection, it does contain the hyaluronic acid. It's for normal to very dry skin types, and it's super thick and creamy. It's a beautiful night cream. I absolutely love this.
And the best part is it doesn't leave your skin feeling sticky. So it absorbs quickly, makes it soft, and you feel your skin's really breathing and is hydrated.
The next product I have is the Hydrating Eye Cream Serum. This I really liked. I was actually really surprised about this. It's not often that I've found an eye cream that I can wear both during the day and at night.
It reduces the amount of puffiness. It hydrates this sensitive area a lot better as well, because the thin skin underneath there makes it so that it gets a little bit crepier.
All you need is this much of the quantity. And the moment you rub in one rub, it's gone, it's disappeared.
So yeah, that's my thoughts on all the 5 products that I was sent, and so thank you Beauty Heaven for letting me be part of this. Bye!